Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your Facebook account to a Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your profile. Just tap on it right here, besides what's on your mind. Okay, just tap on it, and once done, make sure that your account is not locked. Okay, you can only turn your Facebook account into a page if your account is unlocked. Okay, so just tap on it. Now tap on unlock right here. Unlock your profile, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, tap on OK, swipe down to refresh, there you go. Now tap on the three dots right here at the top right. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit and find turn on professional mode. Okay, tap on it, update your profile, and just wait for it. Okay, as you can see here, you can reach more people, earn some money if you have a professional account. So choose your default audience. If I were you, I'm going to set this one to public since you're going to make your account as a page. Okay, hit on next, confirm, next, and go to your dashboard. All right, tap on explore on your own, and once done, when you go ahead and go back to your profile right here, okay, swipe down. As you can see, you now have the dashboard or professional dashboard. All right, and there you have it. That's how easy it is to convert your Facebook account to a page. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.